From the information that I was directly given by the guides about the new location for the South Pole, I chose to make an articulated version of our globe showing that new location of the North and South Poles, as well as the new equator after the pole shift. And what I was shown was the new South Pole would be Cape Town, South Africa. And putting the globe at this tip, as you see, Cape Town, South Africa is here at now the South Point, and following the exact opposite latitude and longitude north for the new North Pole location, now you see it is at the globe at this point. And so you see the difference in North America and South America with this new location. Now the South Pole and the North Pole, particularly the North Pole, the old North Pole, is located at this point that you see here. The new equator line, or in the new equatorial line around the world, is located by this red line here. And as I turn it, you will see the location of the old South Pole at this point, just where we thought used to be south of South America. As I turn the globe again, you will see the new equatorial line going past or underneath New Zealand, through Tasmania, through the middle of Australia, and we know here at Alice Springs, or actually south of Alice Springs at Pine Bluff, Australia, is the North American as well as the elite underground city for 35,000 people, right on the new equatorial line. As I turn the globe again, you'll see the new equatorial line goes through Indonesia. Now it will be going through Malaysia, all the way north now of India, going through parts of China, Mongolia, or China, through the Russian territories. And the interesting point, as we go back to this point, this is Norway, and this is where they have located the Svalbard seed bank, knowing that it would be at the new equatorial line. And you'll note the location of the old North Pole. But the elite knew that anything along this equatorial line, they would have events or issues subside faster, whether it be radiation or whether it was a volcanic ash or other weather anomalies. They tend to subside faster at any point along the equatorial line. And so you see they literally planned it to be placed as they knew that this was going to be the new location of the equator. And as I go forward, continuing along, and you see that North America now is located on the eastern side of North America, just above the equator, or the new equatorial line. The old equator is represented by the lower line, the darker burgundy line. The red line is the new equatorial line. All North America is now shifted, and here again is the location of the old North Pole, and this is the new location of the new North Pole as given directly from their information. We go through, the odd thing is at Ecuador, this is the area where literally several of the powers that be, the elite, as well as old FBI and CIA, I am told, are residing to be safe during these earth changes, because Ecuador now still aligns at the old and the new equatorial line.